In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off two-step verification in Gmail account. Before we start, a quick note, two-step verification adds an extra layer of security to your Google account by requiring something more than just your password. Turning it off makes signing in quicker, but it also makes your account easier to access if someone gets your password. If you still want to proceed, follow along carefully on a trusted device and a secure internet connection. Open your web browser and go to your Google account page at myaccount.google.com. Sign in with the Gmail account where you want to disable two-step verification. Make sure you're using the exact account you intend to change, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're in your account, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Security. This section controls your sign-in options and protections. Scroll down until you find the area labeled Signing into Google. This is where Google groups your password settings, recovery options, and multi-factor protections. Click two-step verification. For safety, Google may ask you to sign in again here. That's normal, it confirms it's really you making changes to sensitive settings. Enter your credentials to continue. On the two-step verification page, look for the option labeled Turn Off and select it. A confirmation pop-up will appear explaining that turning this feature off lowers your account security. Take a moment to read that message. If you're sure you want to proceed, confirm by clicking Turn Off in the prompt. After you confirm, two-step verification will be disabled. From this point on, your Google account will require only your username and password to sign in. Some apps or devices may keep you signed in based on your existing session, but new sign-ins will follow this updated setting. As a final housekeeping step, it's recommended to destroy any backup codes you previously saved for this account. If you printed them, securely shred the paper. If you stored them digitally, delete the files and empty the trash or recycle bin. Removing old backup codes helps make sure no one can use them later to access your account. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same two-step verification page and turn it back on. In the meantime, be especially mindful of your password hygiene, keep it strong, unique, and avoid sharing it. That's it, simple and done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.